we were on got broken into, and my laptop and camera and memory cards got stolen. So most of all the footage, and especially filming that I had of working on Te Whiki, was now gone. The second episode will mainly be of like photos and little things that we had on cell phones. So it's not going to be the timeline that I wanted it to be, but that's okay. So each episode we will have a little bit of our adventure and a little bit of the work that we do on Te Whiki. And yeah, I hope that it comes out cool and it makes a bit of sense for you guys. After we got the phone call from Daniel's father about Te Whiki, we were super stoked and packed up all the things that we had and booked a ticket. A couple of weeks later, we were on a plane from Cape Town to Johannesburg, then Johannesburg to Mauritius. When we arrived in Mauritius, Daniel's sister and her boyfriend were there with his parents already, so it was nice to have the first week or two with his family touring around the island, which was really awesome because we got to see many beautiful beaches such as Le Morne, and we also snorkeled for the first time, which is crazy because we're such like ocean people. We enjoyed a lovely sail around the small islands just off of the north of Mauritius on a Harmony, a UFO 34-foot monohull that belongs to Monica, our fun German friend. And as a present from Jess, Dan's sister, we were treated to our first ocean scuba diving experience, where I almost dived to my death trying to touch a stonefish, thinking it was a pretty shell. Guys, don't touch anything in the ocean, especially if you don't know what it is. And then we found a love for free diving. Te Whiki is a James Warren design, which originates from the Polynesian-style catamarans. Here we start working on Te Whiki in Port Louis, the boatyard called Taylor Smith. I start learning how to use power tools, which Dan and I try not killing each other with. So the project begins, taking out all the foam as it retains water, knocking out wet and rotting wood, scooping water out the bilges and sanding the bilges, and finally patching brand new wood. Next is a montage of our daily life in the boatyard and living in Mauritius. the 29th of July. We are back at Tafiki, and it has been 3 weeks since we last worked on her, as we were busy working on extrapolation. Unfortunately, from all the rain and stormy weather, I have now come to see a lot of water again back in Tafiki. Luckily it is only in the bathroom over there and a little bit below here in the bilge. The bilge has some water, luckily only this one, and in the bathroom bilges. So I will be scooping some more water out today, trying to get the boat dry again. And also we have figured out that the water that was leaking into the bilges was coming from this panel over here, and the water is leaking down here. So we need to take out this whole panel. We're done taking that off. As you can see, the cockpit has been taken off as well. Then this whole section is going to come out, and then we can patch up this panel and put it back, cover up, just make sure that no more water comes through, and then that'll be safe. Okay. Say hi, babe. Yeah, very busy.
Let him down, see if he comes running.
Nope, he's got my arm pretty good there. Sorry, that was quite a fall. Hey, hey, hey. You're a tough cookie.
Nah, nah.
Whoa. Why do you want to come here the whole time? Here we are being our crazy selves, having a blast with our outdoor activities. Dan and myself love adventure and excitement and keeping busy. So here's a bit about ourselves and the things that we love to do.
Carry on, carry on. Carry on.
I can't, I'm laughing.
Go, Jen. Well done, Jen.
This is not working.